Awesomeness trifecta. Syrup challenge. Drink a cup. Go. It's so gross. Oh my god.
Oh.
I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna throw up.
Who's one sick?
I hate you guys.
Don't stop. Keep going. Oh.
Throw up.
I think these two guys are out.
He threw up. Oh my god. It just like fills your whole mouth. Oh my god. No. No. Oh my god. Can we drink water during the... Can we? Oh yeah. Oh,
No.
no.
Someone kill me.
I'm out. I'm out. No. Oh. Just having that stuff in your mouth. I don't see how people can drink 6 bottles of that.
There's a guy on YouTube that did it.
Holy God.
You want to look at my gooch?
No, I already saw it. It's brown.
Hey, dude, I don't remember when you ate that. I'm done.
I'm done. Oh. Jesus. I got like 2 sips. That was it. Oh, dude, it's so warm.
Oh, man.
Alright, let's go back to it.
Oh.
Andrew, no, you're done. You're
Don't sit
done.
down. Go back over there.
No, seriously, man. Stop.
Oh,
I got 2 sips and almost threw up.
I remember when
I'm
you
done.
ate
too. Get down there.
Done. Oh my God. He puked, guys.
Did you throw up on the ladder?
Oh, he did.
No, he's washing his mouth out.
I was looking forward to it, and then I said no.
Can we get one of you chickens to bring us a new glass of water, please? Seriously, it wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't butter flavored. That's what's killing me. It's syrup, man.
I can't do it anymore. I'm out. Oh, it hurts my stomach.
You beat me.
I can't.
I got like half of it down, and
I got like 2 sips and I'm done.
No one.
Oh my God! You took my water! Woman!
Dude, just have some wine.
Oh God!
I was gonna give mine to
Dude.
Okay, nobody
I got,
pour
like,
this syrup out. The person with the least will win. After all of you quit.
I'm already out. Me and Andrew are definitely not. We're gonna have to measure with the ruler. Don't puke! Don't puke! Don't puke! You good? You good? You got.
If you throw up, I'm gonna throw up.
You got this. Yeah, I'm gonna throw up.
I want to continue, but I just can't. Like my will to.
I don't want to
is dead.
continue. This was evil. Blame that one. Pan over to her. Oh my God. Pan over to her. Dude, quit puking.
We're gonna kill the dead lady.
It's all syrupy and nasty looking. There's noodles in it, man.
Why do I keep looking?
You want some of this?
Cheers. Cheers.
I feel like I drink.
I said this was evil. This is like Satan. Oh God. Which one's mine? Oh no! Oh my God!
That was just syrup.
Did you throw up, Jordan?
Ah!
Yeah. Let me look at it.
It's just syrup.
Oh my God!
Ah!
This was the worst idea.
You're doing outro. You're doing outro.
Look what you made me.
Vinny, just stop now. You won.
I got this.
You threw up again.
No, he's washing his mouth out.
Dude, he splattered on me, man. Angela gets outro. She gets outro.
No, can I get outro?
No.
Please?
No.
Please? This has been the Trifecta Syrup Challenge.
Yeah,
If you
the end.
want to see us do more stupid stuff, comment down below.
Wipe your